Okay, so we are going to start the, I think, first chapter of biology, no? For this session.
Yes.
Yes. And yeah, it is the
Sir,
fundamental.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, the fundamental unit of life, which is nothing but the cell, and we already discussed what is cell is, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Even we discuss about the types of cell like eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Even we discuss about plant and animal cell, na? No, only eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Okay. So introduction part. So we know cell is a small, basic, structural and functional unit of life. Okay. So cell is responsible for the structure, shape of the cell. Okay. Then we will discuss about on the basis of number of the cell, their types. Okay. So see, in structure of the cell, we have cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. And cytoplasm contain different cell organelles like mitochondria is there, then Golgi operator is there, lysosomes are there, right? Okay, then number of cell, shape of the cell. Okay, different shapes of the cell we have. Then number of the cell means unicellular and multicellular organism. Most of the organisms they are formed by single cell only, like bacteria, protozoa, amoeba, paramecium. They are single cellular organism, right? And we will discuss about type of the cell. So prokaryotic and eukaryotic is already done. Now we have left plant cell and animal cell, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then for cell, we will discuss about living part of the cell, in which we will discuss about cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. Okay. These are the parts that we are going to cover in this chapter. Okay. Cell, the structural and functional unit of life. Okay, of all the forms is the cell only. The single cell, such as like bacteria, amoeba, chlamydomonas, paramecium, euglena, we have many single cellular organisms. They are the type of the life form. So they are nothing but the life forms only. The microscopic study of the cell is called as cytology. Cytology is a branch of biology that deals with the study of cell. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The cell may be defined as the unit of protoplasm surrounded by the membrane. So protoplasm means the living thing, okay, which is surrounded by membrane called cell membrane. Okay. Now we will discuss about the history. Very important. I think we discuss about the Robert Hooke. See here we have Anthony von Leeuwenhoek. Okay. He was the first person to construct the microscope and he discovered the minute form of the life such as bacteria and single cell. Okay, that means he was the first person who observed the living cell. Okay. Where in Furcia, in a drop of water beta, he found single cellular organism, microorganism there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so the period is between like 1632 he born and he died like 1723. Then the cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 in a cork slice. He gave a detail about the cell in his book called Micrographia and described the cell as a honeycomb lattice, right? Honeycomb, or like small hexagonal shapes are present there, right?
Yes, sir.
This is called a honeycomb lattice. Because that honeycomb, that hexagonal shapes are repeated there again and again, that's why it is called as lattice then. Leeuwenhoek in 1674, in 1674, 74, with the improved microscope, discovered the free cell of bacteria for the first time. So Anthony von Leeuwenhoek was the first who observed the living cell beta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Robert Brown on 1831 discovered the nucleus in the cell. Okay, so Robert Brown discovered the nucleus on 1831. J.E. Purkinje, okay, Purkinje fiber in 1839 gave the name protoplasm for the living fluid substance, okay, inside the cell. Who gave the name? Purkinje. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Then the cell theory was represented by the German biologist Okay, and Sheldon and Shawn. Okay, Sheldon and this theory is also called as Sheldon and Shawn theory. In 1855, Adolf Rudolf Virchow said, "Omnis cellulo cellula" means the cell arises from the pre-existing cell. So cell comes from the cell only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's discuss about the cell theory of the Sheldon and Shawn. Okay, gave the cell theory which was later expanded by the Rudolf Virchow. Okay, so cell theory says all the plant and animal are composed of the cell. Cell is the basic unit of the life, and all cell arises from the pre-existing cell. So all these are the point of the cell theory.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you know viruses are the exception of the cell theory? Because when they present outside the body, okay, this is the body. Okay. If virus is present outside the body,
They're
then they are
considered
dead.
dead.
Yeah, because there is no life processes is being performed. But when they enter inside the host cell or body of the organism, they start multiplying, meant reproducing. Okay, and start infecting also. So these are nothing but the part of their life cycle. That's why they are like when they present outside the body, they are dead. If they are present inside the body, in a host organism, so they are living. So they are considered as the connecting link between living and non-living things. Okay, so we had non-living, then viruses, and then living things. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yes. Then we had type of the cell and organism. So on the basis of number of the cell, we had two types. Unicellular means organism which are made up of single cell, and multicellular organism which are formed by numerous cells. Okay, these cells combine to form the tissue they form the organ they form the organ system, and finally organ system forms the body of the organism, like we have plant and animal. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then on the basis of type of organization, okay, cell are of two types, beta. One is prokaryotic and eukaryotic that we already discussed.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I want you had to repeat that part from cell theory till here, then we will move further. Okay, done.
Sir, 1 minute.
Done everyone?
Done reading, sir.
History part. Done everyone, do reply.
Yes, sir.
History part is also done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Cell query,
Yes, sir.
type of the cell and algorithm.
Done.
So now we will discuss about cell structure, shape and number. Okay.